In front of me is HONOR Magic5 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock. First of all, go into Devices Settings and scroll down to access Biometrics and Password. Now tap on Face Recognition and enter your current login method. Then read all of the disclaimers, tap on this feature, enable Raise to Wake to turn it on or off, and when you're ready, tap on Get Started at the bottom right corner. Remember to keep your face in frame. Now adjust all of those options however you want to, and when you finished, go back. Finally, when I turn off my screen, then switch it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. If you want to delete it though, tap on Face Recognition again, enter your screen lock, and simply tap on Delete Facial Data at the top. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!